Hey friends, if you encounter this error where Windows randomly exhibits a black screen on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Now here's the thing, this situation is a little different from the situation where the black screen occurs at the time of startup. So the most probable reason for it is that you're using some game or application which is interfering with the process. And the clear-cut answer is close that game. But if that doesn't help, or if that application is running in the background and you do not know of it, then here's what you can try. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services, check any other service, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. That's how you can restart your computer in a clean boot state where all other applications will be disabled except for those which are absolutely necessary for the functioning of Windows. Okay, and this will solve this problem, but if it does not, then just update the graphics card drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for display drivers, and then right click on the driver and select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.